vocabulary and playing puzzle word. Yeah, today we still have 7 words that relate with fruit again. Yeah, we have 7 words with fruit. So please watching us to learn fruit in English. Yeah. So now we have 3 steps again. That the first one we will review the word and then spelling. After spelling, we will play the game. Yeah. What do you mean?
Melon.
Yeah, melon.
That was I said one with first letter O.
So now the first one we will review the word. Okay. Yeah, the word we have 7 words of fruit. So number 1 is pear, guava, lychee, peach.
What's peach?
I will show you in the picture.
Melon.
Yeah, melon.
My favorite. I think melon is color yellow or something.
Yeah, yellow.
Strawberry.
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 And the last one is star fruit.
I think
Yeah.
see it here.
Yeah. So now, after we review, we reading the word and then we will spelling the word. So here, P-E-A-R, guava, G-U-A-V-A, lychee, C-A-E-E.
I almost forgot.
Yeah. And then peach, A-C-H, melon. No, melon. M-E-L-O-N. Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Again. Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B. B not E. B-E-R-R-Y. Again. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Yeah. And then star fruit. S-T-A-R-F-R-U-I-T. Star fruit. So after we review and spelling the word, the time we are coming to find the word in the puzzle game. So, do you see some word already or not yet?
I see star fruit and pear.
Mm-hmm.
And
So you move a little bit so our viewer can find the word with you in the puzzle game. So now start. Pear. When is pear? Let's spell from letter P beginning with letter R. Please circle. Use the black marker to circle. Yes. Pear. P. Okay, correct. So spelling pear again.
It's like mango sound.
Yeah.
P-E-A-R.
Yeah, P-E-A-R. Pear. So I take for you. And then guava. Start from letter
G.
G.
I see guava.
Okay, correct. G. Start from G beginning with A. So spelling guava again. G-U-A-V-A. Guava.
Easy to find.
Yeah. And then lychee. Lychee. Start from letter L. Finish with letter E. L. Lychee. Yes, correct.
Lychee.
Yeah. Yeah, start from letter beginning with letter E. So lychee, we spelling again. Y C A E E. Lychee. And then peach. Start from letter P. You see? Okay, please circle. Yeah, start from letter P, finish with letter A. So we spelling again. Peaca. Yeah, peach. And then melon. Start from. Yes, correct. Start from letter finish with letter
I
N.
think the first today.
Yeah. So spelling melon again.
Melon.
Melon.
It's not a melon.
And the next is strawberry.
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 I
Strawberry.
think
Strawberry start from letter S. So we find
S.
S.
S. I think I'm not no.
Yeah, strawberry. You see or not? You move a little for our viewer can watch and find the word with you also. I think I already see. Yes, strawberry start from here. Yes, start from letter S. Finish with letter Y.
Oh, that's long.
Yeah, that's long. Too many letters.
Yeah, that's I cannot
Yes.
give up.
So start spelling strawberry again. Strawberry. Strawberry. Okay.
Oh no, it's easier.
And the last one is star fruit.
Easier than
Yeah, the
strawberry.
star fruit. You see? Yeah, this is called star fruit. Start from letter S. Finish with letter
Okay, over.
T. Yeah, correct. Star fruit. Yes, star fruit. So we spelling star fruit again. Starfruit. Star fruit.
I will wait this one.
Yeah. So the seven word we already found in the puzzle game. So after that we will read all the seven word of fruit again. So start. Pear. Guava. Yeah. Lychee. Yeah. Peach. Eight. Melon.
I thought it's lemon.
No, melon. Yeah. MEON. Strawberry. AWBERRY. And the last one is star fruit. STARFRUIT. Yeah, correct.
That's all my letter.
Give me your marker. Yeah.
My letter is all small because I write small every day.
Yes. So the seven word we already found in the puzzle game and review to read and spelling already. So the finally our video is finished and thank you for watching our video and don't forget subscribe our video our channel for watch to learn English more. So comment. Yeah.
Comment to our channel if we say something
wrong.
wrong.
Yeah, had some mistake also. So
We say sorry.
yeah, we say sorry. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget subscribe our channel to learn the
Goodbye.
English. Yeah, bye bye.